really wanted to try interlocking as my maintenance method. For all of my traditional locks that I've had, regardless of whether I started it with my own hair, whether I used extensions, whether I did crochet method for instant locks or 2-strand twist, comb coils, no matter how my starter method was for my traditional locks, I always used palm rolling or retwisting for my maintenance method. It was quick, it was easy, I could do it on my own. It worked for me. I liked the way that it made the locks look as they matured and formed, but there was always something in the back of my mind that was like, man, as much as you sweat and as much as you need to wash your hair because of my dandruff issues, like I said, this type of maintenance just wasn't working for me because I was having to wash my hair too often, I was sweating too often, I would want to go swimming or do just things that weren't working for retwist, whether I was using gel or not, especially when I wasn't using gel, because when I was doing water only or water and oil retwist, they just weren't lasting for me with my hair. Like I said, in the back of my mind, I was always like, man, it would be really nice to use interlocking as a maintenance method, but I just never did with my traditional locks. So that was another reason I wanted to switch, because I wanted to have a style that interlocking was just normal, where it wasn't even a thought for me to be like, well, you know what, I'm kind of lazy and don't feel like interlocking, so let me just go ahead and retwist. I'm not retwisting these 300 plus locks. I'm not. It's too much work for it to last for a couple of hours or for a couple of days and then for it all to unravel. I love interlocking. I love that it gives me several weeks of not having to worry about my locks, of them not untwisting, that I don't have to worry about. I can do my hair, I don't have to worry about it. I can go swimming, I can wash my hair multiple times a week, I can sweat, I can go out in the rain, and it does not affect my maintenance at all. It doesn't affect my hair. I don't have to worry about that. If I need to get up and go to the store in the middle of the day or go hang out with friends and I'm only halfway through, I'm not having a bunch of clips in my hair that I'm sitting and trying to get up under a dryer or something with. I can get up and go whenever I want. I finish interlocking that one lock and then I move on. And I can't get back to it for several hours or several days, which has never happened, but it's not like it's a big deal. It's not a deal breaker. Whereas I wouldn't want to go around with half my head retwisted and the other half not retwisted. That's been a huge benefit and a reason why I wanted to switch to Microlocs. If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and join the flock by hitting that subscribe button. I post videos like this regularly throughout the week, and go ahead and hit that like button so that I know what type of content you're enjoying. See you in the next video.